about resistors in series. Okay,
Yeah.
resistors in series. So can you tell me like what is constant? What remains constant when the resistors are connected in series?
It will be the current.
Yeah, it's the current. So let's see why current is constant, why not the voltage? We can have a valid explanation for that. Okay. So let's say this is a set of three resistors connected in series.
Okay.
These are R1, R2, R3 and connected in series. Now I have this current I flowing through it and this is the voltage V. So I can see that
Yeah.
this same current will flow through R1, R2 and R3. So can I say that the voltage will be different but the current will be same?
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah, and also you can see that the voltage will be different. Why? Because let's say this has a voltage of V1. This will have
Okay.
a voltage of, let's say,
V2,
V2, and this will have a voltage of
V3.
V3, correct? Because they all the three will have different potential difference. Why? Because the terminal points of both R1, R2 and R3 are not same, correct?
Yeah.
It's different, right? So
Yes.
I can say that, and yeah, one more thing, V is the total source voltage, right?
Yeah.
So I can simply say that V is distributed among the total potential difference is distributed among three resistance, that is R1, R2 and R3. So can I say that the individual potential difference, and when they'll be summed up all together, will come up to V, because the main source of voltage is V, right?
Yeah.
There's no
Yes.
loss of voltage, so of course the total voltage should be equal to the sum of the voltages in the circuit, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I have to do is in resistors in series, what I have to do, I have to replace all these three resistors R1, R2 and R3 with a single resistor. Okay,
Okay.
so I will replace it. Let's say I have replaced it with a single resistor, let's say R, such that the total or the net effect on the resistor on the circuit will be nothing, zero, right?
Yeah.
The overall output, input, everything will be same. Okay, so this R
Okay.
will work as good as all these three resistors will work in combination. Okay,
Okay.
cool. So I will just write in this, I will write just the equation. So in place of V1, what can I write in place of V1?
Um, we can write just in this case we can write it as V itself.
No, in place of V1 in this case, for the three resistors in series, I can write as I
R1.
into R1.
Yeah.
Okay, for V2
I into R2.
and for V3.
I into R3.
Okay, now I can also write, now since I have replaced it, so I can write V is equal to I into R, right?
Yes.
Now what I can do is I can substitute all these values here in this equation. So in place of V, I can write simply I into R.
R.
And in place of V1, I can write,
I into R1.
and in place of V2
I
and
into
V3,
R2.
yes,
I into R3.
correct. Now what I'll do is I'll take just the common term. What is common? I is common, right?
Common. Yeah.
So I into R. This is my common term. So I'll just cancel the common term. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm left with now? R is equal to,
R1 plus R2 plus R3.
okay. Now imagine a case where there'll be four resistors. Then it will be R equivalent equal will be
It we would just add another R.
add another. So if there are n resistors, so how I will write R1 plus R2 plus R3, so
Plus
on till, let's say,
R
n
to
resistors.
N. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So did you understand this explanation?
Yes.
You have any doubts in this? Like if you have not understood anything in this?
Or like the way we wrote V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, we could have directly also written it for the resistance.
Yeah, but okay, yes, fine. What you're saying is right that we could have directly written, but the thing is that is what is the proof that we are going to find out.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
That is what is the proof. We are just doing the proof for that, right?
Yeah.
So we cannot directly, if you can directly write this, if you can directly write this, then there's no need for proving this. We are proving this that sum of the resistor will be equal to the equivalent resistor in a circuit where the resistors are connected in series. But this is the
Okay.
simple law of conservation of energy, right? The total voltage
Yes.
supplied will be equal to the sum of all the voltage in the circuit, right?
Yeah.
That's what I have done. And I have just substituted these respective values.
Yeah. Okay.
I've just substituted these respective values and also this value here in from the main resistor. And using that, I came to a conclusion that the resistors, if they are connected in series, this will be the formula. Okay, clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Okay, so that's it.